How to refund Google Play subscriptions. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily refund Google Play subscriptions. So without further ado, let's get started. So now to request a refund for a Google Play subscription, you need to follow these steps. So first, let's access the refund request page. To do that, simply open the Google Play Store. And once you have opened it, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And from the drop down menu, simply tap on Help and Feedback. And once you are there, you can simply tap on the search bar and here simply search for refund. And now here simply tap on Learn about Google Play refund policies. And now from here, if we scroll all the way down, and they have a description for all their policies, so we can check here. As here you can see, when it comes to refund, we can find the Google Play Pass option over here, and this tells us that your Play Pass subscription can be cancelled at any time. You will still have access to the subscription until the end of the period you have paid for. And they also go on to say that if you cancel within the first 2 days of a monthly subscription and request a refund, we may refund the cost of the month in which you cancel. What this means is that you can cancel it at any time. However, to actually get your refund, you need to cancel it on the first 2 days of your subscription. And now with this disclaimer out of the way, with this info, you can either scroll up and select request a refund over here to start making your refund request, or you can go back and click on your profile icon at the top right corner once again. And from the drop down menu, simply tap on payment and subscription option. And from here you can simply tap on subscription. And here you can simply cancel your subscription. And regardless of which option you pick, you will be granted with a possible refund. And that's all there is to it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.